Habari, karibu sana to my YouTube channel where we learn Swahili step by step. So do you like food? Because in today's lesson, we're going to talk about food in Swahili. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to talk about your favorite food, but in Swahili. So yeah, let's get into it. Food in Swahili is referred to as chakula. Just a reminder, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out my lessons whenever I post them. Also like and share my videos with other Swahili students. Thank you. Maybe you have an upcoming trip ahead to East Africa, or you're meeting your friend from Kenya or Tanzania, or you have a business deal to make that requires the knowledge of Swahili and you want to practice your Swahili. You can just write to me an email at ourmiriamunia@gmail.com. I'd love to help you achieve your goal of learning Swahili sooner.
Chakula, vegetables, mboga, cabbage, kabeji, beans, maharagwe, maize, mahindi,
uncooked rice, mchele, cooked rice, wali. This is a Swahili dish called pilau, a fragrant rice cooked with meat and spices. Meat, nyama. Chicken meat, nyama ya kuku. Beef, nyama ya ng'ombe. Grilled meat, nyama choma. Mutton, nyama ya kondoo. Ugali, meat and vegetables. Ugali kwa mboga na nyama. Fish, samaki. Pepper, pilipili. Eggs, mayai. Bread, mkate. Fried potatoes, viazi karai. Soup, supu. Cooked bananas, matoke or ndizi. French fries, chipsi or vibanzi. Tortilla, chapati. Now let's try talking about food in Kiswahili. Mimi ninapenda kula kuku kwa chipsi. Wewe unapenda kula chakula gani? Mimi ninapenda kupika pilau. Wewe unapenda kupika chakula gani? Mimi napenda kununua nyama choma. Wewe unapenda kununua chakula gani? Mimi sipendi kunywa maziwa. Wewe ni chakula gani hupendi? We have come to the end of our today's Swahili lesson and I hope you have learned something. Keep on practicing with your rafiki. You can just ask them, unapenda kula chakula gani? Or unapenda kupika chakula gani? So let's meet in our next lesson. Kwaheri.